LVTOPSUN, focus on premium energy storage. Premium Li-Fe PO, 4 batteries powered by brand new grade A cells, engineered with stricter resistance standards, and crafted via high-precision robotic operations. Every battery undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure uncompromising performance and reliability, shipped globally to serve you. At LVTOPSUN, we always uphold quality as our core principle. Every battery undergoes rigorous aging tests, multi-layer checks that leave no room for error. 5 kilowatt-hours to 261 kilowatt-hours coverage, powering home and commercial energy storage needs. Vision for 2026, LVTOPSUN goes global. From Asia to the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, powering the global energy transition. We plan to establish 30 new national offices to provide high-quality storage solutions. Your trusted global energy partner, please.